The PEARLOVE Baby Bedside Crib offers a versatile 5-in-1 design, accommodating your child from infancy to kindergarten with various functionalities including a bedside sleeper, crib, toddler playard, rocking crib, and diaper changing station. This crib promotes safe co-sleeping, featuring an adjustable side that converts it into a bedside sleeper and securely attaches to parents' beds with safety straps, making it ideal for midnight feedings and diaper changes. The spacious activity center at the bottom of the crib doubles as a toddler playard, complete with a removable changing table and storage for baby essentials, plus adorable plush toys with music to soothe your baby. Constructed with high-quality materials, the crib boasts a sturdy structure with stable tubes and a firm mattress, while mesh sides ensure proper airflow and visibility, and wheels with brakes offer easy mobility. Safety is paramount with the PEARLOVE crib, which meets CPSC and ASTM standards, and its easy fold and transport design requires no tools for assembly, making it convenient for on-the-go parents. The product comes with a detailed manual and instructional video to ensure proper assembly, and users should ensure the fence is locked before pressing on the base for maximum stability.